wow.
Terribly deep questions
I mean,
you're asking, my
yeah.
God.
I mean, more than the politics part of it, for me, this has been an emotional ride. Sometimes it has also been an override while shooting the show, because there's so much that happens, and because the treatment of every character was so, at least at an emotional level, very realistic and very closer to life. So we had to take a dive within ourselves to find the reality of our emotions. What is our anger? What is our sadness? What hurts us? And bring that out into our parts. तो वो emotional override था ही था, बहुत सारा था, and did not make me cynical, but definitely at one point I was even scared of my own emotions. कि I really hope it doesn't take over us so much that we can't get out of it. And we used to make sure consciously that every night after we finished shooting, we sat with each other for an hour, 2 hours before we hit the bed. We rehearsed with each other. जो भी हम करते थे, chill करते थे, कुछ देखते थे, कुछ सुनते थे, अपने अगले दिन के rehearsals करते थे, जो भी करते थे. We used to do it as Adil and Ritwik. ताकि वो शागोर और रंजीत हम पे हावी ना हो जाए, क्योंकि वो हावी होने लायक किरदार तो थे. So it didn't make us cynical, but at one point we were quite petrified of our own characters. Oh my God, you won't believe. Now, it's such a violent character, and there is so much, what do I say, physical violence in it also from both our parts. And Ranjit is supposed to be a hot-headed, does not think before taking action, extremely aggressive kind of a guy. हम दोनों बैठे हुए थे, हम कुछ खाना खा रहे थे, और एक क्रेट पानी का आया हुआ था. आपने देखा वो प्लास्टिक के कवर्स होते हैं, जब आप 24 बोतलें आती तो प्लास्टिक से कवर होती.
तो स्मॉल वंस 200 ml.
हाँ, तो एक जब साथ में आते वो क्रेट, तो पूरा एक प्लास्टिक के उसमें होता है. आपको थोड़ा सा प्लास्टिक फाड़ के उसके अंदर से बोतल निकालनी होती है. आप हाथ से भी फाड़ सकते हो, आप कैंची से भी फाड़ सकते हो. चलिए, आपने फोक उठाया, आपने यानी इन्होंने फोक उठाया. अब फोक से आप होल करके फिर उसे टेयर कर सकते हो. आपने कभी किसी को बोतल इस तरीके से और बात करते हुए कि नहीं ब्रो, आज तो ऐसे ही ना है, आज शूट करते.
What is going on?
भाई एक सेकंड. It's like, what happened? ऐसे ये शो जब खत्म होगा ना भाई, आप कहीं छुट्टी पे चले जाओ, आप कहीं पहाड़ों में घूम लेना. ऐसे क्यों, मैंने क्या किया? ऐसे क्यों फाड़ रहे हो, बोतलों की कत्ल क्यों कर रहे हो?
ऐसे क्यों फाड़ रहे हो? But you know, I also think that probably it's not necessary that the character you're playing is justified in your head. But you probably need to understand why is he doing what.
Correct.
And if you develop that understanding towards the character, you kind of get into...
You can't judge your characters that you play.
Correct. Wow. My fondest, there's so many memories. So my fondest memory is the first time I saw a film camera. Because before that, we hadn't done, even my whatever auditions I did was on a regular camera. You don't see, I mean, this is also, we're talking 2002.
Yeah.
Right? So it's too many years back. So the first time I saw आपने film देखी है, तो वो जो guest house में जब वो मिलती है उसको, KK's character comes and meets her. So there were no dialogues. So Sudhir was nice enough. उन्होंने कहा कि इसको कोई dialogues नहीं देते. First time she's, on a film set, first time film camera, very overwhelming. We had a French cameraman and a sound recordist. So they like to block everything. They have to first stand and understand emotions. So you have to play the whole scene as it will be and all that. So I was so scared. I was so quiet, I remember. And so Sudhir was basically explaining to me, kuch nahi karna hai, but you have to feel the rhythm. She goes, opens the curtain, aake baithti hai, karti hai. And my fondest memory is, I think it was the second take and it was okay. And I was so scared. I was so nervous. I couldn't sleep the night before. And so that, I think for me is the most special moment, because Sudhir was like, yeah, this is it. This is good. Second take and it was absolutely fine. And then there's so many, just sitting and talking with Sudhir and, the French cameraman and all, stories and how, just basically getting introduced to the cinema, the world of cinema. And another one is the scene where जब वो गांव में उसको वो पुलिस स्टेशन में जब when she is being manhandled and she starts screaming and all. So वो एक बहुत ही difficult scene था मेरे लिए. I think that again is a very strong memory. As a performance, क्योंकि आप मतलब as a film actor, it was my first time acting. Forget film actor, I had only done a music video before that. So I had not done any kind of acting. So that was also very special because everybody started clapping and nothing. So that was very special for me. Encourages me. I mean, it is my biggest compliment, my biggest award, I suppose, you know. A lot of times people do films and they wait for something like Hazaaron, and that happened to be my first. Lekin, like I said, मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं था कि like this. I don't think anybody had any idea because every day Swanand would come and pick me up from home because it was his, you know, that was रायता फैल गया, रायता फैल गया, रायता फैल गया. That's all he would say because I would always ask कि कैसे चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, how is it going? अरे रायता फैल गया, रायता फैल गया. So every time even now I meet him, I say रायता फैला हुआ life में कि नहीं. So but you know nobody knew. I think the only person who knew was Sudhir that you know how it'll come together. But I mean, everybody, whether Shantanu Moitra, everybody who's connected to the film did so well, you know, for themselves because it was an accident that such immensely talented people came together.
That was very rarely in cinema.
I think it's an accident, you know. So sometimes I feel all this, like you say, path-breaking things happen by complete accident. And it's over time you realize कि हाँ हमने कुछ ऐसा काम किया था या हो गया था कि जो लोगों को आज तक you know याद है. But I'm very very thankful to Sudhir for this film.